Weather alert. Weather alert. Let's go! Here we go!
Alright, so it's 3:15 on the 27th. And I'm watching the cell that's in southern Stevens County, Washington, near Springdale. Looks like the hail reading just dropped, but it's still looking good sized cell. It did originally have a quarter size hail reading on that one. They issued an SPS for that particular cell. If you could focus, that'd be great. Basically that one right there. I'm curious to see what they do here. So I'm 100% curious to see what they will do with this one. Still got about 30 minutes. I still got like 30 minutes to decide on this one. They're just gonna issue something here, or just let it go. So we'll see what they do here. Okay, we got a watch issued for Miles City. Up. Kind of blind right now. Oi. Might be a second. Okay, so I should be toning it right now, so I just realized parts of Bismarck is involved in this, so yep. There's the Billings notification. Carter, Custer, Fallon, Powder River, and Rosebud.
On my watch list, I might just go for it. To keep the ride cool and your DIY streak hot. Find all the parts you need at prices you love. Guaranteed to fit every time.
Got KAKC FM here. There we go. SB 179.
The following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana: Carter, Custer, Powder River, and Rosebud. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 179, effective until midnight Mountain Daylight Time Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Montana: Carter, Custer, Powder River, and Rosebud. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging. Severe weather may not be imminent. Persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe thunderstorm watch number 179 has been issued from 4:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time until midnight Mountain Daylight Time Monday for the following counties in Montana: Carter, Custer, Powder River, and Rosebud.
All right, Billings, what do we have here? Yep. Not even like, what, 20 seconds after the watch got issued?
Following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana: Custer, Powder River, and Rosebud. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Okay, stupid.
Per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact.
Now, since this is for Custer, I wonder. Nope. Maybe.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
That's 790. Try to get to 119 real quick. Okay, no.
Country and state with them out there. Took cattle from South Texas down there in Karnes County and took it out there to West Texas. Then he stayed out there.
And we got the
cattle
tornado
and
warning in
lived out there.
Nebraska.
Went further west and got on the Pecos, sir, and it looked.
Oops. Let's try 1019 again. Back, right there. Okay, now, let's try these guys. No, no. Mojo's not on the air, so.
Expect wind damage to roofs.
Okay, can see
siding,
FM.
and trees. Locations impact. Brandenburg, Bernie Village, Muddy Cluster, and Northern Cheyenne Indian Reservation. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Bighorn, Custer, Powder River, and Rosebud. Alert for the following counties in Montana: Custer and Powder River. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Custer County in southeastern Montana, northwestern Powder River County in southeastern Montana until 7 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 6:05 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles. Moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Love this station.
Love the music.
All the hit music.
The following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana, Bighorn and Rosebud. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bighorn County in south central Montana, south central Rosebud County in southeastern Montana.
Back up to here. Scroll down to the FM.
Located 10 miles south of Busby, with another severe thunderstorm located near Lodge Grass, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage
Previous
to
one was
vehicles is
103.
expected.
This one's 1250.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Location.
Assuming they're what about 1075? Or not. Why? Brother.
Following counties in Montana, Bighorn and Rosebud.
Close enough.
The following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana, Carter, Custer, and Powder River. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Carter County in southeastern Montana, southeastern Custer County in southeastern Montana, northeastern Powder River County in southeastern Montana until 7:45 p.m. Thunderstorms were located 16 miles south of Villorge or 15 miles northwest of Broadus, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
And I don't wanna leave you alone.
Hang on.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana, Carter, Custer, and Powder River.
That ain't looking good, Chief. Fucking load already. I was not anticipating on that happening.
That if a person is suffering from trauma,
now there's an affordable fix for you or your
And I
loved
wait
one.
for
Rated the best
KSL
hearing
they
aids
will
of
relate it.
2025 by Forbes Health. Audion Hearing has the highest quality hearing aids at the lowest prices. Classic country.
$1 million coverage. Call Mark at 855-696-2085. 85.
I'm not an actor, I'm just a regular person.
For real. I'm gonna wait for KSL to go off.
I started taking
Off we go again, Billings. Boy. Christ almighty.
Sighting, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Powderville.
Only including the
A
small
severe
snippet.
thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Carter, Custer, and Powder River.
Seriously, Billings, while I'm eating my fucking Doritos.
The following is a weather alert for the following counties in Montana: Carter, Custer, and Fallon. The National Weather Service in Billings has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carter County in southeastern Montana, southeastern Custer County in southeastern Montana, southeastern Fallon County in southeastern Montana until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles southwest of Ekalaka, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Madison Rock State Park, Mill Iron, and Webster. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Montana: Carter, Custer, and Fallon.
Of your kids, you're not.
After 3,500 F and West Coast, 200 W evacuated. Southside Lake Fire Department. Mandatory evacuation due to a gas leak. Anyone within 3,300 south to 3,500 south and West Coast to 200 West Coast.
Here, I'll keep 820 going just in case they do go next.